Okay. Nasaan tayo, Mark?
Ito yung yung
giraffe feeding.
Giraffe feeding.
Ayan sila kalapit, oh,
look. Feeding for the giraffe area. Tapos mataas to mula sa ground. And then nag-start yung aming drive-through attraction kanina. Maybe from that point. Tapos we go around the area. It's bigger than Savannah actually. Bigger than Savannah.
Pero natatakot ka mo siya magpa-picture sa giraffe, parang
kasi
tanga.
parang camel.
Ayan, ganyang kataas. So nandito kami above. Andyan sila. My God, wala na silang mga ano. There. Kanina, inikot namin yan. Yan, diyan kami dumaan. Ngayon, nandito na kami. This is the viewing deck.
May giraffe, may ostrich, may stork.
We'll check how much the giraffe's food baht. 40 baht. And what's inside?
What's the food for them?
Banana and...
Sweet potato.
Vegetable.
Everybody will come near if we'll buy one. Maybe giraffe will come closer.
What?
If we give them food.
100 kilo. 1 kilo.
Okay. Okay. Hindi ko naintindihan kung ano mas sinasabi ni ate, Eksena. Rep magnet. 75 baht. Expensive. Oh, there's a lonely giraffe here. Hi, baby. Why are you alone? You want food, baby? Huh? Kiss, 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 kiss. Ano mo?
Mamo. Oh, yan, mamo, kiss na. Ganun, kiss kunwari. Yan, go.